I want to share a quick hello world in Scratch. Start up your favorite browser and type scratch.mit.edu. This will bring you to the Scratch homepage. In the top menu, click on Create. This will allow you to start programming, and Scratch is creating a new project for you. I'm going to close the tutorial here, and I'm going to remove the default sprite. So we start up completely blank. Down here on that little symbol, I'm gonna click. This will allow me to choose a sprite. I'm gonna pick right the first one with a double click, Abby. So you see the sprite appears here, and this big white space is the area where I can program Abby, and programming in Scratch is done by dragging and dropping commands that are offered for you. So I'll go for look commands, and I'll drag say hello for 2 seconds. I'm gonna change this text here with a double click. I'm gonna type hello world in there. Now we need one more additional command from the events section. I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna drag the when green flag clicked command onto my programming area. And once this turns gray here in the background, I'll drop it, and it's gonna snap right on top of the other command. Now this is all we need, and we can run this. Go to full screen mode, click on the green flag. Hello world, that's it.